Welcome to our YouTube channel. But first, make sure you hit and like and subscribe.
And click on the bell down below and set your notify whenever we release our new YouTube video.
Okay, we're gonna cook a simple dishes today, and Houyou gonna show you the ingredients.
Our ingredients are chicken, red bell pepper, baby corn with mushroom, green beans, carrots, and also condiments are oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, black pepper, ginger and garlic.
So this is the way the messy kitchen with my assistant chef Houyou. Baklang-bakla siya. Wow. Wow. He's trying to be like a really chef. Someday, maybe he's gonna have his own restaurant. Be careful, finger. Look at how you. Even cutting is like removing the lips.
Finish.
Seriously.
So many.
I told you, if you buy another
More than
more
wasting money. Not wasting, we can use it next time. Okay, cut it like this.
No.
I'll go maybe outside now to play skates. Okay, bye.
Bye, see you tomorrow. This is the way you marinate the chicken. Wow. Marinate. First, we're gonna heat the pan. Heat the pan. And put the cooking oil. Put the cooking oil. Then we put four. Yeah, that's fine. 4 slices of ginger.
And sorry.
Next thing is garlic. And add some water. Then beans and carrots. Wow. Then cover it 3 to 5 minutes. And put chicken.
We put the chicken and stir fry for about 2 minutes, and then we add the other ingredients, the mushroom, bell pepper, and the baby corn. And then we put also some oyster sauce and white pepper to add some taste in it. And now it's ready to serve.